Ben Siango muraibuense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ritukoria rero niganyara kubaka gwikirana ase University ya East African University yegotoka ase county area ya Nandi. Ruto niganyara kubaga kwenekeria Abaorokigwa banyara kubaga gukora matemwa manene KCSE yo mwako yega buchiri 2024 abo barobere gochia Gosoa University au aiga sense ya Kenya ase Omotienyi Ogocha oyore Omotienyi okianda. Ruto niganyara kubaka goteba serikali nigera achikonyara kubage kurigereria Abaorokigwa abo asoko bwatoka enenge isane unenjira yamo yo gwakanira Abaorokigwa abo chi school fees yokane kibona kwagenda libare na masomo abo.
I've defined this university since its inception. I am proud to be associated with its work, values, and example. I am very proud to receive my very first honorary degree from the first chartered university in Kenya. With immense gratitude and humility, I accept this recognition and the honor of the Doctor of Humane Letters in Leadership from the University of Eastern Africa, Baraton. It is a privilege to join the university's distinguished convocation alongside the graduating class of 2024. This degree will serve as a constant reminder of my responsibility to contribute fully in the advancement of knowledge, to drive positive change, and to help create a future for Kenya where leadership is synonymous with integrity and excellence in service. I believe that these are the indispensable qualities of servant leadership, which is exactly what our nation needs at this moment.